Good day, children. Hope you all are doing well at your place. I am Sandhya, and today we are going to learn a lesson in English, that is town mouse and country mouse. Children, let us understand the meaning of town and country. Town consists of tall buildings, shops, shopping malls, hospitals, industries, etc. Whereas, on the other hand, countryside is a rural development without infrastructure in place that towns have. Let's start, children. Once upon a time, there were two little mice. Children, mice is the plural form and mouse is the singular form. You can see the picture. One mouse was very grand and lived in the town in a fine house. That means one of the mouse was living a luxurious life and he lived in a town in a fine house. His rooms had silk curtains and richly colored carpets. Children, you can see the picture of silk curtains and carpets. The other lived in the country and was very simple fellow. He lived under the roots of an old oak tree in a small hole lined with straw and dry grass. Children, you can see the picture over there. One fine autumn day, the country mouse said to himself, Children, what do you mean by autumn? Autumn means the season between summer and winter. I must invite my cousin to come and say. Cousin means a child of an aunt or uncle. When the smart town mouse arrived, he looked around the little hole, and when the town mouse reached, he just looked around the little hole. What a shabby home! Shabby means untidy. How can he live like this? He thought. Come and have something to eat. The country mouse led his cousin to a table piled high with food. The country mouse, he took the town mouse to a table piled high with food. I have prepared a special meal, he said. A cob of corn. See the picture, children. Fresh hazelnuts and wild blackberry juice. The town mouse wrinkled his nose in disgust. Disgust means he didn't like the food, so he was in shock. But nibbled politely at the juicy corn. Nibbled means he took a small bite. What terrible food, he thought. Outside the full moon shone brightly and the owls hooted softly in the old oak tree. And it was a full moon. And the light was there. And the owls, they hooted, they made sound. They went to bed. All was peaceful. But the town mouse tossed and turned all night. Everything was peaceful, but this town mouse was not able to sleep at night. It turned all night. I can't sleep, he complained. It's just too quiet. And he told that he can't sleep because it is too quiet here. By next morning, he had made up his mind. Made up his mind means he decided. I am sorry, cousin, he said. The country life is not for me. Come and visit the town and see what you are missing. And on the next morning, he thought that he will go. And he told his cousin that the country life is not for me. You have to come and visit the town and see what you are missing there. So the next day, the country mouse went with the town mouse to his home in the big town. "This is what a home should be like," said the town mouse. The town mouse took the country mouse to his big town and showed him his house, and he told that a house should be like this. Proudly, as he led the country mouse from room to room, and he took the country mouse from one room to the other room. The country mouse could not believe his eyes. He had never seen such beautiful things. He had never smelt such delicious smells. "Come and eat," said the town mouse. They scampered into the dining room and onto the table. That country mouse had never seen such beautiful things or smelt delicious smells. So they scampered into the dining room. Scampered means quickly they jumped onto the table. The little country mouse gasped when he saw the food. Gasped means children breathed sharply with surprise. Cheese, mountains of fruit, and a huge chocolate cake. "Let us begin," cried the town mouse. But just then, two huge dogs came running into the room, barking fiercely, means in an aggressive manner. When they were about to eat the food, two huge dogs came inside the room and started barking. The two little mice raced through a hole into the wall, panting for breath and shaking like a leaf. The country mouse turned to his cousin. Now children, what happened? No, that two dogs came barking, and these two little mice, they got scared and they ran, and they were panting for breath. Means they were finding it very difficult to breathe, shaking like a leaf. And then country mouse told, "I am going home." He squeezed in a high-pitched sound. He told, "You have a fine house and fine clothes. You feast on cheese and chocolate cake. You sleep on soft mattress. I have none of this, but at least I can sleep safely at night. You can enjoy the excitement of the town if you wish, but give me the plain and simple life anyway." The country mouse, he told that you can enjoy this town life, but I wish the plain and simple life. And he went to his country. Thank you all. Please like and subscribe my channel.